The Digital Inkwell, Creating with Grok 101. Hannah sat by the window, her notebook as empty as the morning mist. For centuries, storytellers have faced this blank page syndrome, even the ancient Sumerians, pressing reeds into wet clay to write the Epic of Gilgamesh, surely felt the weight of the first mark. Toby entered with a smile, holding a tablet. "Creativity isn't a solo climb anymore, Hannah," he said softly. "It's a conversation." He showed her the screen, glowing with the Grok 101 interface. To begin, Toby explained, you simply log in and look for the new chat button, a fresh start waiting for a single click. "Where do we start?" Hannah asked. Toby leaned in. "With a spark." He told her that in West African tradition, the griot storytellers say every tale is a seed. "Try this," he suggested. Step 1. Type a simple request in the message box. Hannah typed, "Give me 3 story prompts about a hidden garden." Instantly, ideas bloomed on the screen. Creativity is the act of choosing which seed to water. As the proverb says, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. They chose a prompt about a garden where time stands still. "Let's try a haiku," Toby said. He shared that the master Matsuo Basho believed in karumi, or lightness, finding the extraordinary in the ordinary. Step 2. Ask Grok for a specific format. Hannah typed, "Write a haiku about a silver sundial in a quiet garden." The AI responded with 3 precise lines. Mindfulness in writing means focusing on the present moment, 1 syllable at a time. The soul is healed by being with children and poetry. Fyodor Dostoevsky. The haiku was good, but Hannah wanted it to feel warmer. "Dialogue is key," Toby reminded her. "The AI is your partner, not just a tool." Step 3. Provide feedback to refine the output. Hannah typed, "Can you make the second line feel more like a warm afternoon?" Grok adjusted the words instantly. This process teaches us that the first draft is never the destination, it is the clay we shape. Creativity is intelligence having fun. Albert Einstein. "Now, let's build a world," Toby said. He mentioned Aristotle's Poetics, which reminded us over 2,000 years ago that every story needs a beginning, a middle, and an end. Step 4. Ask for a narrative arc. Hannah typed, "Outline a short story based on the Silver Sundial poem." Grok provided a structure. An old woman finds the dial, she turns it back, and she learns that memories are better than reliving the past. Retrospective. We often fear the end, but a story's power lies in its resolution. To make the story breathe, Toby suggested adding sensory details. In the 19th century, novelists used word painting to transport readers, he explained. Step 5. Ask for sensory descriptions. Hannah typed, "Describe the scent of the garden and the sound of the wind near the dial." Grok wrote of lavender, damp earth, and a whistle like a flute. This is the practice of presence, noticing the small textures of life. To be creative means to be in love with life. Osho. As the story neared completion, they looked back at their work. Toby shared an old Persian proverb, "A pen is a tongue of the mind." By using Grok 101, Hannah hadn't lost her voice. She had found a megaphone for it. Step 6. Review and save. They read through the final tale, making small manual tweaks to make it truly theirs. This retrospective showed them that technology is a bridge, not a barrier, to human expression. Hannah felt a new sense of power. The blank page was gone, replaced by a vibrant story they had co-authored with a digital muse. She realized that digital literacy is simply the modern way we tell our ancient truths. Toby smiled, knowing she was ready to explore on her own. As you close this chapter, remember, the tools change, but the heart that dreams remains the same. You cannot use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou.